Welcome back to Best Futuristic Gadgets. Your car has a steering wheel, 4 wheels, and an engine, same as it did 50 years ago. But everything around the driving experience, that's changing fast. AI companions watching the road with you, 360-degree cameras recording every angle simultaneously, heads-up displays that put critical data right in your eye line, and a portable air compressor that fits in your glove box and handles roadside emergencies in minutes. 10 car gadgets that are changing the way we drive without changing the car itself. Number 1. Your car has blind spots, no fatigue awareness, and absolutely no personality. Meet MOKUKU, the AI robot that changes all three. MOKUKU sits on your dashboard with a forward-facing camera and real-time AI vision that watches the road continuously, monitoring traffic behavior, following distance, lane positioning, and hazards in front of you, alerting you before situations become dangerous, not reactive, anticipatory. The difference between a warning and an accident is exactly that gap. Fatigue monitoring tracks your alertness through facial recognition, detecting micro-expressions and eye patterns that signal drowsiness before you feel it yourself. Long drives, late nights, early mornings, MOKUKU is paying attention even when you're starting not to. The companion layer is genuine. MOKUKU responds to your voice, learns your regular routes, manages navigation and calls hands-free, and builds familiarity over time. After a week, it stops feeling like a device and starts feeling like someone who rides with you every day. Dashboard mounted, always on from ignition to engine off. Your car has never had a co-pilot worth trusting. MOKUKU just fixed that. Number 2. One camera faces forward, one faces back, and everything happening to the sides of your car completely unrecorded. The Vantrue E360 records everything. This is a 360-degree panoramic dash cam that captures your entire vehicle's surroundings simultaneously, front, rear, left, right, in a single continuous recording at 5.2K resolution. No blind spots, no angles that weren't covered, no incident that happens off camera. The 360-degree lens system stitches the full panoramic view in real time, producing footage you can review from any angle after the fact, rotate around the scene like a 3D reconstruction, and use to establish exactly what happened and from which direction. Night vision performance is exceptional. Sony Starvis sensor technology that captures usable, detailed footage in low light and no light conditions that kill lesser cameras entirely. Parking mode activates automatically when you leave the vehicle. Continuous monitoring with motion and impact detection, recording any contact or suspicious activity around your car while you're gone. Every angle, every moment, every incident on record. The E360 makes sure nothing happens to your car that you can't prove. Number 3. Your car smells like your car. And it shouldn't. The Fanttik N10 is a smart air freshener that does what clip-on cardboard trees never could, actually managing the scent level in your cabin intelligently, releasing fragrance on a schedule you control through the companion app, rather than dumping it all at once and fading within a week. Adjustable intensity, multiple fragrance options, USB powered from your existing port. Fresh air your way, every drive. Number 4. Flat tire on a highway at night. No pump, no help nearby, just you, a deflated wheel, and a problem that isn't going away on its own. The blast air makes that scenario significantly less terrible. This is a portable air compressor reimagined, compact enough for a glove box, powerful enough to inflate a completely flat car tire in minutes, and smart enough to stop automatically the moment it hits your target pressure. Digital pressure display shows you exactly where you are in real time. No guessing, no overinflating, no stopping to check with a separate gauge. Set the pressure you need, press go, and the blast air handles everything from there. The power output is serious for a device this size. It handles car tires, SUV tires, bike tires, sports equipment, and anything else in your life that holds air, without the underpowered struggle that miniature compressors usually deliver. Cordless operation means it works anywhere. No hunting for a power outlet, no stretching a cable across a dark highway. The built-in battery handles multiple inflations on a single charge. A flat tire used to mean waiting. The blast air means handling it yourself in the time it takes to finish a podcast episode. Number 5. A proper car wash costs money every time, takes time you don't have, and still doesn't get the spots you care about. The Linyo H1 brings the car wash to your driveway. Cordless, self-contained, and genuinely capable. This is an all-in-one cordless car wash machine with a built-in water tank, pressure pump, and wash head in a single handheld unit. No hose connection, no outdoor tap needed. Fill the tank, charge the battery, and wash your car anywhere, anytime. Driveway, parking lot, campsite, wherever the car is and wherever you are. The pressure output is real, not a garden spray bottle with ambition, but actual cleaning pressure that shifts road grime, brake dust, and bird damage without requiring you to scrub everything manually afterward. Multiple wash modes handle different surfaces and cleaning intensities, from a gentle rinse on glass and mirrors to a more aggressive blast on wheel arches and lower panels. Compact enough to store in your boot, powerful enough to do a full exterior wash on a single charge. Car washing used to require infrastructure. The Linyo H1 just requires 10 minutes and somewhere to stand. Number 6. Looking down at your dashboard while driving is one of the most dangerous things you do, and you do it dozens of times every journey. The NeuroHUD fixes that permanently. This is a heads-up display that projects your critical driving data, speed, navigation turn prompts, safety alerts, incoming calls, directly onto your windshield in your natural line of sight. Your eyes stay on the road, the information comes to you. The projection is bright enough to read in direct sunlight and sharp enough to be legible at a glance, without requiring you to focus and refocus between the display and the road ahead. It works with your existing navigation apps, Google Maps, Waze, Apple Maps, pulling data directly from your phone via a wireless connection. Installation is clean and non-permanent. No drilling, no wiring into your car's electrical system. It sits on your dash, connects to your phone and your car's OBD port, and starts working within minutes of unboxing. Tesla's own HUD never made it to production. NeuroHUD didn't wait for them to figure it out. Number 7. Most dashcams tell half the story. The 70mA T800 tells it all of it. This is the 70mA Dashcam 4K T800, a triple camera system that covers the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously, with dual 4K recording on the channels that matter most. Front camera delivers true 4K clarity. License plates readable at distance, road conditions captured in detail, night scenes handled with a sensor that doesn't give up when the light does. Rear camera matches the resolution because the car behind you is just as important as the road in front. The interior cabin camera adds a third perspective that fleet operators and rideshare drivers specifically need, a complete record of everything that happens inside the vehicle, time-stamped and synchronized with the external footage. AI features work continuously. Lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, driver fatigue detection, turning the T800 from a passive recorder into an active safety system that responds to what's happening in real time. Built-in GPS timestamps your location on every frame. 70mA's app handles footage management, cloud backup, and incident export cleanly. Triple camera, dual 4K, full story from front to back, inside and out. The T800 is the last dashcam you'll ever need to buy. Number 8. Roadside emergency? Dead battery, flat tire, no signal, dark road. The Vantrue Power JS3 was built for exactly that moment. This is an all-in-one roadside safety device that combines a jump starter, an air compressor, a power bank, and an emergency light system in a single unit that lives in your boot and waits quietly until the day you actually need it. Jumpstart a dead battery without another car, inflate a flat tire without a separate pump, charge your phone when you have no other power source, and light up the road around you with an emergency beacon that makes you visible to approaching traffic. 4 critical roadside functions. 1 compact device. Always charged, always ready. A roadside emergency used to mean waiting for someone to help. The JS3 means helping yourself immediately, regardless of where you broke down. Number 9. Your car has a wired CarPlay port, and every time you use it, there's a cable involved. The Ottocast P3 Pro removes it permanently. Plug the P3 Pro into your existing CarPlay port once, and from that moment forward, your iPhone connects wirelessly, automatically, every time you get in the car, before you've even closed the door. No cable, no plugging in, no remembering. The AI box handles the wired to wireless conversion seamlessly. Full CarPlay functionality, no lag, no quality reduction, and no compromise on any feature your car's existing system already supports. One plug, permanent wireless. The cable you keep losing just became optional. Number 10. Your car knows exactly what's wrong with it. It just hasn't told you yet. The Carista EVO changes that conversation. Plug it into your OBD2 port, open the app, and every fault code, every sensor reading, every hidden diagnostic your car is sitting on comes straight to your phone, in plain language, not mechanic jargon. Real-time performance data, service reset, advanced customization for supported vehicles, hidden features your manufacturer buried in the software that Carista unlocks with a tap. Your car has been keeping secrets. The Carista EVO makes it talk. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.